Hi everyone, I am Nidhi Manchanda, a corporate trainer, a public speaker, a financial planner and a coach. I am an experienced certified financial planner with a demonstrated history of working in financial services. I have nearly a decade of industry experience. During this journey, I have made around 200 plus customized financial plans for clients from different walks of life, including VPs, AVPs, directors of renowned companies, businessmen, pilot, doctors, Bollywood writers, etc. It gives me immense satisfaction by helping families to move closer to their financial goals. Having a master degree focused in economics and being a commerce graduate with specialization in finance has shaped my career as a financial planner, and now training is the purpose of my life. Being a certified financial planner, I have delivered 175 plus investor awareness program to educate more and more investors to take control of their finances in association with AMCs such as ICICI, HDFC, Reliance, Baroda Pioneer, Edelweiss, IDFC, L&T and MFI among others. I have received excellent feedback for the interactive training sessions. Few of the corporates where I have conducted trainings include Wokhart, Book My Show, Tech Mahindra, Reliance, JSW, Godrej, 5paisa, Nestle, Blue Star, All Cargo Logistics, Ingram Micro, MSL Group, Emcure Pharma, TVS Motors, Adfactor, Marriott, Randstad India, etc. Apart from this, I have also trained 1000 plus students and working professionals in all the modules of CFP, including insurance, investment, retirement, tax, estate planning, and soft skills. I mentored them in their journey to become successful CFP. I am not only an accomplished personal finance coach, but also a result-oriented behavioral skill trainer with a passion of bringing a positive change in individuals' behavior as well as their wealth. I strongly believe that soft skills are personal attributes that is crucial for success in any work that you do. And there is no skill in this world that cannot be learned. I have also delivered multiple corporate training for certifications like NSM 5A, Wealth Management, IC38, Macroeconomics and other customized BFI sector trainings in companies like SBI Life, LIC, Aditya Birla Sun Life Insurance, etc. It is for the benefit of employees, and these trainings are not only about finance but also about the behavioral skills required for the same. As being a finance person myself, I understand the need of soft skills for people good with numbers. I have also been invited as a resource person in renowned colleges of Mumbai to take practical finance sessions for their students. KC College, Guru Nanak College, St. Andrews, Narsi Monji, Dhyan Sadhana, SK Soumya are some of them. I keep my training style flexible to match the needs of the audience. I train in a very active way with dedication and sincerity, where learners are always engaged and achieve the best. As a certified corporate trainer, I hold a master diploma in training and development from the prestigious Indian Academy of Training and Development, Mumbai. I also possess a global certification of CFP from Financial Planning Standard Board US. My mission is to train and educate more and more working professionals and young minds to help them make an informed decision, financial or otherwise. Looking forward to see you in our next training.